busy ang Highway 15. So today is Saturday and they're going to US. So it's too traffic going to US right now. So you can see from left to right. Okay, let's see. It's too traffic because they have a long weekend. Wow, that's the US border. So now you can see it's too traffic here. I don't know until when, but mostly on Monday is holiday, so yeah. Traffic is until here. Okay, see you guys.